Hi guys, welcome to the SAS base course class 11, and in today's class I am going to give you some exercises on the topics that we have covered in previous classes. Let's start. This is the first question. Create discount dataset using SAS help.cars and create new amount variable using variable MSRP and provide 15% discount to buyer. Only keep make, model, type and new amount in output dataset. This is the question and the output should look like this. Use keep and drop statements efficiently, whether you want to use keep dataset option or drop dataset option or keep drop statements. It's up to you. Let's move to the next question. Write a program to create new _cars dataset using SAS help.cars dataset and print last 5 observation and first 5 variables only. Note, use firstobs and obs dataset options to solve this. This is the output. When you solve this question, the output should look like this, and this has already been covered in my previous classes. So if you have any doubt, just watch previous classes video, refresh your knowledge and then solve this. If your output is matching with my output, then your code is correct. If you face any difficulty, do write a comment. I will reply to your comment. These are the only questions, guys. I will give you more questions in upcoming classes. Guys, we will meet in the next class. Till the time, bye and take care.